Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I'm going to discuss with you our picnic area. If you have a little corner you're not quite sure what to do with, or something you feel like it's just this cozy little corner, I would invite you to do something exciting like a little picnic area. It's a great way to bring you out and to just look at your landscape from a whole new perspective. This is a very simple design here. We did decomposed crushed granite gravel as the base. And then we bought this picnic table online, and this has been just fantastic. Everybody can sit on it. It's underneath the tree. This thing, it's very heavy, so it doesn't get affected by any winds or anything like that. It'd be very difficult to haul off. And it's very durable, so it stands up to our winds and our elements that we have here in Houston. So it's going to be a very, very long-lasting picnic table. You can also put an umbrella in it if you aren't as lucky as us to have this natural shade with the tree. But this is a great way to spend your lunch or evening, nights out. So it's a little corner here. We've got a little bit larger space. You could even add some little pots around this area here. But it's a great way to get a whole new perspective on your landscape. There's very little maintenance to do with this here if it's built and designed right. And it's just exciting, a great place maybe for the kids to get away or a little private conversation. So this is fun. Think about maybe adding something like this to your landscape, a nice little spot in the corner of your yard, something quiet and romantic to get away in. So do something exciting in your landscape today. Thank you.